Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will start with Fields and Fences session 2. Activity: find out the length of the boundary of this shape. Hint: you can use a thread. So here you can see 4 irregular shapes are given. Use thread, put it on the boundary of each shape, then you can measure the thread and you can find out the boundary of these shapes. Now count the squares to find out. See, 4 shapes are given. Now you have to find out how many squares are there in each of this irregular shape. To make it easier, the squares which are more than half, if you think that it is more than half, count it as 1, right? So let us find out. A 1 2 3 4 5. So there are 5 squares which we can consider it as. See, 1 is full and rest of the 4 we will consider as it is more than half, we will consider it as full. So more than half will be full. So the number of complete square in figure A is 5. In the same way, let us find out B. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So there are 7 squares in B. Let us find it for C. 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 squares in C. And for D, for the figure D, 1 2 3 4. Which shape covers the least number of squares? So out of all the 4 shapes, right, A, B, C, D, which shape covers the least number of squares? सबसे कम. So it is the number of complete square in figure D is 4. So it is D. Figure D covers the least number of squares, which is 4. Which shape covers the most number of squares? So here you can see B, figure B has 7 squares, which is most. So the figure B covers the most number of squares, which is 7. Take a 20 centimeter long thread, make different shapes by joining the ends, place on the squared sheet on the next page. Find out how many squares are there in each shape, as we did just now. Which is the biggest, which is the smallest shape, how long is the boundary of the each shape, right? So this activity you will do on this page in your textbook, and this activity will be done by you only. So your answers may be different from your friend's answer. So do it yourself. Practice time. A square has a boundary of 12 centimeter. So here in the figure you can see square A, 3 centimeter from each side. So 3 4s are 12 centimeter. So its boundary is 12 centimeter. From the corner of this square, a small square of side 1 centimeter is cut off. So you can see it in the figure B. Will the boundary of B be less or more? Find its length. So here you can see it, sides of each. See, one side is 2 sides are 3 centimeter, 2 sides are 2 centimeter, and 2 sides are 1 centimeter. If we cut 1 centimeter square from the corner, right? So if we total it from all the sides, it would be 3 plus 3 6, plus 2 8, plus 1 9, plus 1 10, plus 2 12. So it will be 12 centimeter. Now see the question number B. If you cut 1 centimeter square to get shape C, observe carefully the shape C. What will be the length of the boundary of C? So here you can see that 3 sides will be of 3 centimeter and rest of the side, there are 5 sides are of 1 centimeter. So 3 3s are 9 plus 5, that is 14 centimeter. So boundary of C will be 14 centimeter. So question number 2a, find the length of the boundary of square D. So here you can see D 5 centimeter from each side. So 5 4s are 20. As there are 4 sides, we can write it as 5 into 4, 20 centimeter. So B, question number B, 8 squares of side 1 centimeter are cut of the square D. Now it looks like shape E. What is the length of the boundary of shape E? So let us find out the length of the boundary. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36. So there are 36 centimeter in shape E. So the boundary of this square, so 1 centimeter from each side, is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equals to 4 centimeter. Can we also say that the boundary is 4 multiplied by 1 centimeter? Yes, we can say that. Question number 3, a hockey field is 91 meter and 40 centimeter long and 55 meters wide. How long is the boundary of the field? So we know that the length of the field is 91 meters and 40 centimeter. So it can be written as we know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So we can write it as 9100 plus 40, that is equals to 9140 centimeter. Width of the field is equals to 55 meter, that is equals to 55 multiplied by 100, and that is again equals to 5500 centimeter or 5500 centimeter. So here boundary equals to length plus width plus length plus width, right? As hockey field is in rectangular form. So let us substitute the values, that is let us add 9140 plus 5500 plus 9140 plus 5500, that is equals to 29,280 centimeter or 292 meters and 80 centimeter. Usha and Valsamma are running a race. Usha is running on inner circle, Valsamma is running on outer circle. See here in the picture you can see that. You can also see end and start board. So Valsamma runs faster than Usha, but still she loses the race. Can you guess why? Because the inner circle has shorter boundary than the outer circle, and Valsamma runs on the outer circle, so she has to cover more length, and because of this she loses the race. So have you seen any race where runners start from different places, like in this picture, and guess why? So here in the picture you can see end point, and you can also see that start point is different for the different participants, right? So Have you seen any race? I guess you must have seen on our sports day, right? We also make a race track like this only. So that's all for today. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.